Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to set up a booking calendar in our Wix Studio website. So I have here a template website that sells skin products, and I want to add a booking service, for example, for skin test services. So what we'll do, I'll just add a blank page right here. So I'll just start with a standard blank page, and then I'll just name this into booking. And then once we're here, so we'll just proceed to add this black section right here. Proceed to add elements, and then we'll just need to choose bookings, and then we will add this to our website. And then we will just wait for this to load. So once we're done, you can just edit this booking template right here, and then make sure you're clicking on it. So just click on manage services, and then from here we can edit some booking services that we want to add. For example, I want to start from scratch. I want this to be like skin test, and then I can change the description. And then like that. And then for the duration, I can change this into 30 minutes and buffer time if you want to. And then you can input your price, for example, like you can put like 100. And then once you're done, you can just click on save, and then we will have this in our website right here. So it already loaded the skin test service that we added just now. So we can just click on preview in order to see this in our website. And once we click on book now, it will automatically add a calendar for our booking service in our Wix Studio website. And then that's basically it in how to add a calendar for your booking service in Wix. And I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.